Alright, we've taken off from port. Hope's at the helm.
Oh, helm which bails.
How's it going over here?
It's going great.
Where are we going?
Hope you do it fine.
We're going to anchor tonight.
This is our captain. Many years of experience at sea. This is Kim. Kim's a teacher, maybe a marine biologist.
I am a physics teacher.
Physics teacher, passion for racing.
Absolutely.
She's gonna teach us a thing or two about the sailing this week. Sails are up. Skies are blue. Motor sailing. What's our RPM?
2000.
2000. We're heading up to the bow. On a beautiful boat here. Check out our view. These are the San Juan Islands. We got the mainsail up. Wind is really light right now. We've been sailing for about 2 hours and about 5 knots of wind. Wind seems to have died though, so we're motor sailing now, which is when we have the mainsail up. We put the jib away and we turn the motor on. It's middle of July in the Pacific Northwest, and this is just perfect summer weather. And it's why Hope and I decided to do this course out here at this time of year. Honestly, it's been a little crazy prepping for the course. We had to read 2 textbooks, take tests, take an intro 101 class, and it was a lot with the wedding planning going on and just life in general, but we knew this was the time of year to be out here. I'm thankful for good weather, calm seas, and a lot of learning over the next couple days.
Yep. Whoop, that big one. All right, so let's see. Okay, one more wrap. And then do the wrong finger, do the thing, and then let's turn the lead.
Is from Camas, and when I was teaching, we did a huge thing on International Space Station.
Opie and I are tucked into bed. It is 9:48 and there's still a little bit of light left. It's blue hour. But everyone's tired and the ship is going to sleep.
Yeah.
How would you say first day was?
Smooth sailing.
Smooth sailing.
We learned a lot. It was fun. Everyone's really nice. We're having a great time. I get to speak Slovenian with my Croatian queen.
Hope said Laka Noc to Alba, and she knew what it meant, and she also knew that Mačka meant cat. Because Croatian and Slovenian are very similar.
Yeah.
We're going to do a little bit of reading, and then go to sleep. Laka Noc. It's day 2 on the boat. Had a little breakfast of croissant, some coffee, a little bit of reading, and a good chat with Captain. We're practicing picking up some mooring balls.
Yeah, we are.
Hope just was captain and was steering as you picked up the first one.
Helmswoman, actually.
Helmswoman.
Yes.
Went well.
Pretty well, I think.
Now we got Kim on the boat. Kim is currently on the ball hook.
I'm the hooker.
Yeah.
The hooker on the ship. Yes.
Every good ship needs a hooker.
That's correct. I shall hook to my best ability.
Alba is on the helm now, steering us towards our practice ball. Everybody's studying for their 103 test, which we're taking tomorrow. 100 questions. Gotta get 80% of them right. Hope's drawing
Drawing
an outboard engine, which is overkill.
It is overkill, but it helps my brain.
But hey, at least we'll know. Our captain knows her stuff. Sipping on a little wine. Christina's currently cooking dinner. What do we got on menu tonight?
We're going to have baked salmon with capers and
Look at our bounty.
rice pilaf with orzo and a chef's salad.
Wow. Tomatoes fresh from the storage below deck. I like that.
You guys want to eat up here or down below there?
Up. Sounds good, yeah.
How windy is it?
I haven't lost my hair yet.
I was at the helm for grabbing the mooring ball as people secured it up front. First time doing that.
And you did a good job.
Thank you. We missed it on the first time, so we had to circle back around, and we went into the wind to grab it up there. You can see all these boats are all on mooring balls also. Everyone's nice and secure. Can you tell me how many years you have as a captain of boats? Are we too far away from it?
No, but okay, now for the neutral. And now bring the boat back.
Don't want to overshoot it.
Okay. Go a little bit too. No, just don't keep it in the. Quite a little bit.
What happens when they
Now,
grab it?
as soon as he grabs it, that's when you go in reverse.
Okay.
And you don't gun it.
Yeah,
You
just
bring
tap
back.
it into it.
Yeah, but you go back and do it. A little bit too short.
How come? Well, we've been on the phone for 20 minutes trying to enter you. I don't know why you guys don't do it like in Canada. In Canada, it takes 5 minutes to go in, and it's not a big issue.
And then more like Canada.
Yeah, and also like, when we go to the airport, you know, it's automatic, you have all this information. I mean, he's like,
I get in front of the screen, you know, okay, you're in. So they got. Right.
That's ships coming in.
And we're gonna go there tomorrow, but we're gonna go outside on the west side of the island.
How's the day been?
Pretty spectacular. Sunny, delicious breakfast, tuna salad for lunch, some good winds, a few gusts. It's been cool.
And we got a lighthouse. We're sailing. We just entered Canada.
For a moment, my phone said, "Welcome to Canada. If you're wanting to use Verizon here, here's what you need to do."
Having a good day. Nice sun. It's pretty warm. Warmer than yesterday.
For sure.
Sailing skills are improved.
I would say so.
We've learned how to pick up a mooring ball. We're practicing tacking into the wind. and adjusting the main sheet, the jib sheet, the traveler. Yeah, you feeling like like you're getting some good experience?
Feeling like a almost skipper, perhaps.
This year there's like geodomes, all sorts of, interesting architecture.
What'd you just do?
Move the traveler to windward to adjust the mainsail. We're on the ball.
We're bowling.
Balling.
Ballin'.
Ball. I'm gonna find out.
So then we just took the halyard off the mainsail and then connected it to the sail holder so that it doesn't go anywhere.
The halyard is the line that lifts the mainsail up.
Yeah, but this is much more expensive than taking a class down the Columbia River. But it's been a vegan for 40 years. 40?
Keep going. Got a little ways to go. Keep going. Getting close. We're sailing. Got a nice heel over here. Look at this.
Ready to stop? Ready? Ready? Helms away? Yeah, I won't.
Okay, go.
Turn.
Okay, now. Let me go there.
Sorry. Seemed like it was back feeling. Where are we going? Straight out that way.
Ready for some more pencils?
You got some exciting sailing there, Alva. He's tacking back and forth. That's what Grace is like.
All right, Skipper Josh, you're up.
Skipper Josh, reporting for duty.
Helmsman Josh.
He told me I don't even have to. He told me I don't even have to drive, so we're just chilling. He actually said the boat would steer more properly and straighter if I did both helms.
How does the helm feel?
Helm's nice and responsive. We've got 25 knots of wind.
Small craft advisory
Yeah.
plus.
You're pinching.
That's apparent. What's the difference between apparent and
The wind on the boat versus the wind on the water?
With the speed.
With the speed, yeah.
Sailing a close haul. Zoom in up top there.
Okay. You can see there. That's a close haul, baby.
Easy on the hand, don't
Okay,
go
okay.
crazy. Okay, you're good there, you're good there.
As she docks, we have to make sure we're watching these arms. They don't bump into the boat. And we're lining up with this rope here. And it looks like Hope is taking us in nice and softly. Nice approach.
Now you can put it in reverse there.
Today's Friday morning, day 3 on the boat. We've spent the morning eating breakfast, having coffee, learning a lot about the engine. Captain Rod opened up the stairs and showed us all the different parts of the engine so that we'll be prepared for our test and know how to work that if anything goes wrong. We're going to be heading out of this bay. We're on Stewart Island right now, and we're going to go to Friday Harbor, which I believe is on Orcas, where we'll be able to go on land and get some ice cream tonight. So come along.
We tagging are gonna try to roll as much as possible to head sail, and then we'll.
Just got an ice cream cone, little evening sunset walk with our captains. Captain Rod hooked it up with the ice cream because we didn't have money to pay for this thing. Beautiful night in the marina. How did the day go from your perspective?
Fantastic, I thought.
Yeah, it was
It was great.
Did
Could have sailed a little bit more, but everybody got to sail.
Did everyone learn something? Everyone passed the test?
Everyone passed the 103. And then I'm pretty sure everyone's going to pass 104.
All
I
right.
think so. We're doing something hard.
Good omens going into tomorrow. Everyone's here. Captain Rob's about to teach us about the engine. Oh, God, no. What is that? Show us the engine.
It works.
We're about to go through all of this
All right.
down there. Saturday on the boat. Just getting started after a slow morning. Captain Rod's getting us out of the docking slip. Kim and Alba up front getting the bow lines off and the stern, the midship lines, the spring lines.
Friday Harbor, Friday Harbor, Friday Harbor. This is the sailing vessel Puerche.
Friday Harbor, go ahead.
We are departing from slip F19 right now.
Copy that, skipper. Thanks for letting me know. Have a safe trip out.
Okay, thank you for allowing us to stay. Thank you.
Puerche out, thank you.
Sometimes you have to take what the wind gives you, even if that means going 2 knots an hour. We're just crawling along here, making our way slowly to our anchorage.
We're sailing at a speed on ground of 3.2 knots, so as you can see, hella heeling, hella fast.
All stations, all stations, all stations. This is the United States Coast Guard, second Puget Sound. United States Coast Guard, second Puget Sound. United States Coast Guard, second Puget Sound. For Coast Guard Marine information broadcast about the Coast Guard Sealy in the vicinity of North Port Angeles. Pacific Channel 1022 and 22 Alpha. Out.
A charge, so you can avoid it, but if somebody's not paying attention, they could run into it.
Please right time. They don't need to explain. Why do you want to move? I mean, what are you?
You gotta go get that thing.
No, too far.
Okay, you better go.
Now?
Nice.
Right.
Rescued. We're wrapping up a long day of sailing. It's 6 o'clock. We just practiced man overboard. We practiced anchoring. We've been sailing all day long. And we're pulling into a quiet anchorage called Spencer's Spit outside of Lopez Island. There's only one boat here with us tonight. And we're currently pulling up to a mooring ball. Hope is on the helm. And I'm gonna pick up the ball and tie it up to the front right here. Then we're gonna settle in for the night. Leftovers are for dinner. We're doing leftover burrito, just hanging out, maybe have a glass of wine. And just look how quiet it is out here tonight. I'm hoping for a really nice sunset. It's been a good couple days on the water, learned a lot. We've got the 104 test tomorrow morning. Gotta pass that. I'm feeling pretty confident. I think we've put in the work. We've spent a lot of time reviewing. All right, I gotta put the phone away before Captain Rod yells at me for recording while we're about to pick up this mooring call. Alba, Kim, it's last morning. How you feeling?
Great. Good coffee.
Alba, how about you? Hope, how are you feeling this morning?
Fabulous.
We ready to pass this test? Become certified sailors.
I think so.
Better be.
We got our two captains prepping breakfast. How are you feeling this morning? Oh, look at that, the steaming eggs.
Thank you.
Such service.
Truly such service.
We've been eating so good on this boat.
We have been.
All right, we're finishing breakfast here. We're having a little coffee. We're gonna take our 104. I'm happy to share that Hope and I both passed our test. We've officially passed both the 103 and the 104. So we're now eligible to charter a boat internationally. So these kinds of views, we'll be seeing a lot more of them on the vlog. Looking out over the sparkling water, the air is crisp and fresh. The sun is warm. The boat's gently rocking and people are laughing down below deck. I'm really proud of Hope and I for having this goal of learning how to sail and really just starting that journey. You know, a few years ago we were out in La Paz and we were asking ourselves, how do we do this more? And it felt so far and uncertain, but now we have some knowledge, we have some skills, and we have a foundation to build on and come out here on a boat again with some friends and some family. More open seas to navigate and explore. I'm very happy.
Oh, good. Just in time.
We're on our way back to Anacortes, wrapping up the trip. Everyone's just hanging out.